Well, for centuries, wood has been the primary building material for civilization. It's known for beauty. It has inherent characteristics that make it strong, durable, to weather the elements. This is a natural resource that's ideal for building structures and adding value to any space while still maintaining the warmth and aesthetics that any consumer or designer would want. And there's no doubt Brazil has been blessed with many valuable resources, including millions of acres of trees, providing the most beautiful and hardest species in the world. Indus Parquet, we're fortunate. Our family's been working with these species since the late 1800s, so we really have a lot of expertise in working with these products. All of our flooring comes from premium grade, well managed forests, and our plant that's in Tiete, Brazil, our main plant, is FSC certified. You get that certification by a third party verifying that you practice these sustainable manufacturing procedures. Because wood wants to hold water like a sponge, the challenge really becomes to remove the water from the tight, dense cellular structure of the exotic species, but still maintain the integrity of the product. You don't want to lose the integrity or the strength of the product in this process of removing the water. Really, the only way to do this is to allow nature to do its work. You got to give it time to do its work. At Indus Parquet, we use natural airflow and have for over a century now to initially bring the moisture content down slowly in the lumber, and that really maintains that structural strength, that integrity, and stability that we're looking for. It's like fine wine that needs to breathe to reach its fullest potential. So too does dense exotic hardwood need time to breathe to reach its maximum potential. At Indus Parquet, we keep over 20 million square feet of lumber at any one time sitting on our yard going through this breathe process that we have. No other exotics manufacturer, and there's really only a few across the world, can make this claim. Just people just do not do it because it's too expensive to bring the lumber in and let it sit there. Our process, our proprietary drying process that again we call Breathe, it's a 6-month long process. And that allows nature to do what it's supposed to do, bring the moisture content down slowly so that when we do the final drying in one of our kilns or one of our ovens, we're not unnaturally forcing the water out and losing the integrity of the product. Why is that important to the consumer? It's important in a couple ways. Number one, conditioning the product properly makes a better milled floor. It cuts down on waste for us. It makes a floor that fits together properly. But even more importantly to the homeowner, it makes a more forgiving product. So when the environment changes, as the seasons change throughout the year, the environment in your home is going to change. And your floor, if it's been properly conditioned, your floor is going to be able to withstand those changes in humidity levels much better than it would if it wasn't conditioned properly. And that's why we see floors that have extreme cupping, drying out, even cracking. The floor can actually crack because the product cannot withstand the changes in humidity levels. And that's what the Breathe process does. It makes a better product, a better forgiving product that can handle those changes. Because the wood we're working with has been properly conditioned, our milling is better. Our finish is harder. It's more scratch resistant, and it really allows the beauty of the richness of the wood, the patinas, to come through. And the bottom line is it makes a better overall floor.